Okay, so I think it's fair to say that most of us love to travel, but I think it's also fair to say that planning a vacation can be very stressful. From the itinerary to the actual day of the trip, there's a lot to plan and, of course, a lot to take care of. So don't let packing be on that list of stressors.
Right, and if you're looking to make packing as smooth as possible, let the professionals with Lieber's Luggage help guide you through the process. From the extensive products they offer to their immense knowledge of the industry, they are really the place to go. Take a look at this.
Well, my goodness, we have come a long way. It's just incredible where we've come.
They're everything but the trip. Founded in 1906 in Cleveland, Ohio, Lieber's Luggage made its way to Albuquerque in 1978 due to the hard work of Frank Fine. And for nearly 5 decades, the passionate people behind the Lieber's name have been helping the community prepare for traveling with the best bags, brands, and buys.
We sell all types and varieties. We do sell and make our own luggage here in the Luggage Lab, but really we're in cooperation with the best name brands in the business.
Everything can be found on the shelves at Lieber's Luggage. They're top-notch, generational pieces of luggage whose name speaks for itself. But there's another brand that Lieber sells that you may not be as familiar with, but its quality is just as incredible. It's called the Lieber's Legacy line.
Our bag that we make, the Legacy line, is a polypropylene bag. It's a multi-wheel spinner. It's got the pseudo-suitor. It's an amazing bag.
And what's perhaps the coolest part? The Lieber's Legacy bag is built right in their very own Luggage Lab. A lot went in to create the Lieber's Legacy bag, from the design to the colors to the structure. But the core of the design was you, the customer. But Lieber's is so much more than just a luggage store. They're also a great place for gifts, gadgets, and games.
Lieber's has always been about gifts, which not a whole lot of people know about, but it's a great place to come and pick up puzzles, like a little puzzle that you want to take with you on a trip, games, little wallets, like RFID blocking cards that you can give to people, like to put in their wallet, and it'll help prevent digital pickpocket.
Beyond just making sure that you're ready for that next adventure, Lieber's Luggage is dedicated to making sure that people here in our community are taken care of too. They do this through a luggage trade-in sale, where all of the bags donated go to a good cause.
All the old bags go to kids. We donate them to CYFD and local kids, and people that need bags.
Whether it's a new suitcase you're in search of, or maybe a quick gadget to make your vacation better, it goes without saying that when it comes to your next trip, let Lieber's Luggage guide the way.
I don't know why you would want to buy a bag from another place when your money stays here. We stand behind it.
It's local.
It's local to the bone. I mean, it's an incredible value, especially with the trade-in deal right now. It's a great time to buy a bag.
Really great stuff right there. Lieber's Luggage, they are located at 6515 Manal Boulevard Northeast. That's right here in Albuquerque. Seriously, Dustin and Felicia,